She happy say she get pregnant, this, that, rate. The
Okay.
man, may I tell you this first of all. The man, although me know I bring down the man and I say, boy, the man this and the man that. Let me tell you something. Me don't know this man has not chat him out, man. Me and this man do not chat about nothing until the thing start go sour. See
Okay.
it? When the thing they go sour, she send me for go talk to the man.
Wait, we'll see. So you tell me, say, the relationship go sour and she go send you if you talk to the man. Say what?
For try split justice then. Right?
All right.
No send me go talk to the man, you know.
And he was not the only one. She sent several people. Go ahead.
Remember say me and the man good, you know, but we not close like we say we are sit down on phone and chat. Recently me and the man turn friend like that. See? She say, yo, you can't give me a chat and probably me go want a man perspective and this and that and rate it. I say, all right, no problem.
Okay.
Everything when me did do in as far as insert, but not even insert myself, because I know me insert myself, but she insert me. Everything when me do was for the better of the relationship.
Okay.
Me give him feel wrong, and he will laugh and take the laugh, he will take the wrong and say, yeah man, I true you see? And when me give her fear wrong, she can't accept it, none at all.
So she have a problem of accepting, she have an accountability problem then?
Everything. She have to calm me down. No, but you don't understand. And yam up herself and be something.
Bully.
All right. So me realize this thing you kind of get one-sided. See?
Okay.
So when me say she take it to social media, me take with myself. Because you know me in a bag thing. Yeah. Anytime, even if me there over TikTok, me will turn on my live and play my music and me there talk about nothing. Me play my music and that's all of vibes. Me not depend on that. So me realize that direction that she go. So I say, you know what? I take with myself. Me look for my wife and me tell my wife, say, I take with myself for her, you know. I mean, even want a friendship for her. Because I see what she do and it go get nasty. See? The whole time me there, so I try fight for fear relationship, you know.
She a tear down for you.
This woman, I tell my woman, say, yo, for sure you all people wicked in them.
I mean, she don't like the people live good then.
Not like
for sure you all this woman wicked in them. Imagine every relationship go through a problem.
Yes,
every relationship. See? There is certain things where I'm a blame my marriage and she have a successful relationship. You're not supposed to take no counsel from her.
No.
But you're going to confide in her and she hold it over your head and read about whatever. Right? All right. When this lady go make picnic and me lie down in the hospital, you know. Lie down in a hospital. You understand? They there with her and everything. And it's so funny because I talk to the man today and the man even said to me, say, yo, dog, you know, I don't know what she have with you because, bro, you're there at the hospital more than me. And I might pick me a band.
Lord God.
So you were there for her mentally.
You were there for her.
In every shape and form.
Every alley.
When she called me and tell me, say she's stressed over the house over there. Can I come by your house to spend some time? Me never turn her down yet.
Lord God.
Never. Meanwhile, the whole time you're there, so I plan up with my woman for left me for green card and this and that.
Really?
You're in the house. You all come to me and say... You all come to me and say, me and you, figure Crystal, we picnic them together and we're going to have one big something in my backyard and rare, all of these things, and you plan up against me. You tell me woman say if you go woman shelter and tell lie for me.
Wow, really?
You tell me woman say, go a woman shelter, drop down on the step, and ball.
Oh God. So she's a manipulator then?
You hear me I say?
Wow.
I'm just upset say, my woman did put her trust in her and really take her counsel. Because right now we are going through our own problem now sake of this.
Yes.
You see me I say?
Because woman, you and she a friend, the woman, she getting the woman brain now.
But at the end of the day, you have to remember this. Remember
you have to take fear beating no Antoinette.
Remember say me I take myself from the friendship. You understand? So if you see your husband a lead and a take away himself from the friendship, you're supposed to say what?
You follow your
man. Yeah.
You understand what I deal it? So that now to me kind of touch a nerve. See it? You're gonna tell my woman say, because you know when we go through the scandal, when we go through with this girl, yeah. So you try paint this picture as yes, I threw the girl that time.
Yes. Major.
Threw the girl that time.
Yes. Major. She saw us at Major's son's first birthday party, and that video that she saw, she blocked all of them. Hold on 1 second, Major. Hold on, please. Hold on, other than the things then before that. Listen, what bring it up now.
Yeah.
She see the video, she block all of them, and she try to reach out to the girl separately. When she reached out when she reached out to Major wife, you know what she did? This was what started the conversation. She went to Major's wife and said to Major's wife, say, all you need for watch about because Major is a wicked, because Major carry the girl come out of the house and Major and the girl still are there to this day and have the girl at your yard. So she getting at the girl emotion and skin and tell the girl, say, give her my phone number. She gave Major's wife my phone number and tell her to call me and tell her to I know she alone want to beat me up. She want to beat me up too. And give the girl my phone number and tell the girl for call me in an argument with me. So that was what stem up this. So now she comes to Major woman wife now and go tell Major wife say,
no,
all right, basically set him up. And that's where this come from, you know? At the video this come from, you know?
So the video when you know sit down and
yes. Call the girl one away and start tell the girl about me and you know almost 8 years going on more than that. Me and that man down there.
For me, please, then.
Where's the Major?
But watch her now, no? Remember, you know, when she tell my woman to get green card and run off, you know, that my pitney about 2 months or 3 months, you know. So this is, and remember, say my son's birthday just past June gone, you know. So a long time you have planned up this and a conspire against me.
Yes. So she come back and add the fuel to the fire, right?
Okay.
Right. Watch this now. Watch this. Where do you know? As Donnelly said, where they are my son's birthday party, and you know everybody there and a goodness. Everybody there in attack and I say, look how we are live so good and I want somebody.
Come on, Georgia, come match up with wall with friendship.
You understand?
Jesus.
And the one somebody when they're there, we just are living a peace and we're good.
That's terrible.
We never in a no bag with one another
on the live too.
For years.
She said she sent a request to my wife there too.
Yeah, put her in her box, Scott. Put her in her box, Scott. This is a nice door. This is not cute.
Me about 30.
I'm going to tell you something. This did
why if you just say hi in the comments, let me catch you.
Mocha.
Yeah, Mocha Shinian. Yeah, this did have to happen, you know. I'm going to tell you why this did have to happen. Because she not stop. Let me tell you something. You see when the lady, because I'm not going to call her name. You see when the lady did tell me, say, yo, I don't know what to do. I want my relationship and I love the man and rare. I say to her, I say, listen, the man just say, give him a little grace, give him a little space, make him get to understand and revisit the thing and una go good. She could not do that. Every day the man come home, she cuss him, stink, she this, she that. The man lock himself in a room. Lock himself in the room.
Oh my
God. So basically, he live in a tenement yard.
In a own house, the man lock himself in a room. You hear me? I tell you. The man lock himself in a room for peace. The man go to work. And the man, all right, me I go tell you one specific day. She called me and she dep on video call. And she knows that she well knows that the man in the room, you know. And me never know, you know. I think the man never there home, you know. And she talked to me. And she just loud up in the house, loud up in the house. And she start calling man all kind of names. Start calling man all kind of names and this and that. And I say, yo.
So she verbally abusive then?
Yeah, exactly. She leave out of the room. She leave out of the room and go in front of the door, which part the man there. And cuss and galang, you know. Me never know say the man there home, you know. Me I'm gonna see the man walk out of the door and I say, yo, me want to sleep, me have work, you know. What you do? I'm say to her, I say, lady, so you mean if you tell me say the man really did this so and you are try make it look like say we're there on phone and chat the man? And then she start calling the man all kind of name and disrespect the man. And I say, oi, don't do that. Don't disrespect the man in his own house. See?